Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new 2022 Scout 175 Sportfish. This boat is available and unspoken for. It has the crystal blue hull color. This boat is equipped with the sports package, which includes the trolling motor plug, bow cushion, and the bimini top. The trolling motor plug is located underneath the anchor locker lid. Here's where the bow cushion goes. You can see the snaps are all in place. The bow cushion is just currently in storage. We've also got good storage beneath the bow locker here. Also a nice casting platform for fishing. The cooler seat in front of the console has its own backrest. You've got rod storage on either side of the console. You have the windscreen with the stainless steel grab rail. Bimini top. Twin captain's chairs at the helm. 2 rear quarter seats. The port side seat has the live well underneath. Lockable glove box on the right side of the dash. Digital tack and gauges from Yamaha. Our battery switch and Fusion Bluetooth stereo are located at the helm. And the steering wheel does have a steering knob and is on a tilt base. Got rod holders at the transom, a swim platform with a reboarding ladder on the port side. The boat's powered with a 90 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. It does have Baystar hydraulic steering. Live well in here. You do have storage inside the console. It's also where the batteries are located. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, you can give us a call at 843-574-1889. Always check us out online at MarineMax.com and come by our store's location at 142 Sportsman's Island Drive. Take exit 23A off Highway 526 with a big yellow building right off the highway. Again, this is Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.